The Advin Health Care PTBD Procedure Set supports safe and efficient percutaneous biliary drainage, ensuring precise access, controlled placement, and reliable procedural performance. Introducing the Advin Health Care Biliary Dilator, designed for safe and controlled dilation of biliary strictures during ERCP and PTBD procedures. It enables smooth enlargement of narrowed bile ducts, supporting improved bile flow and procedural accuracy. Manufactured from high-quality medical-grade materials, the dilator offers excellent flexibility and strength for easy navigation through biliary anatomy. Its atraumatic tip minimizes tissue trauma, while the stable shaft ensures reliable performance throughout the procedure. Introducing the Advin Health Care PTBD catheter, designed for safe and effective percutaneous transhepatic biliary drainage procedures. It enables reliable bile drainage while ensuring accurate placement and patient comfort during interventional procedures. Manufactured from high-quality medical-grade materials, the catheter offers excellent flexibility and kink resistance for smooth navigation through hepatic and biliary anatomy. Its atraumatic tip minimizes tissue trauma, while the multiple drainage holes support efficient bile flow. The Advin Health Care PTBD catheter features clear length and size markings for precise placement under imaging guidance. Designed for single-use application, it ensures sterility and reduces the risk of cross-contamination. Trusted by healthcare professionals worldwide. Introducing the Advin Health Care ERCP guidewire, designed to provide precise access and smooth navigation during ERCP procedures. It supports accurate cannulation and stable device exchange, improving procedural control and efficiency. Manufactured from high-quality medical-grade materials, the guidewire offers an ideal balance of flexibility and strength. Its atraumatic tip minimizes the risk of tissue injury, while the stable shaft ensures consistent performance throughout the procedure. Compatible with standard ERCP accessories and endoscopic systems,